Saturday, and how things go on Saturday?
Saturday went pretty good. We qualified second in the Kumho AMSOIL F-150, and we felt we left a little bit on the table. Then they inverted 8. That put us in the 4th row. We worked our way up to the front real clean. We led the halfway point, got the 6 bonus points for that, and then on the restart we were leading, and John was being real aggressive. And anyway, I threw it into turn 4 and I caught a berm or something and over-rotated a little bit. Almost spun, but saved it, got it straightened out, but John was coming and he got the left rear tire. I'm sure he had nowhere to go. So, that broke basically the spindle off, or bent the track rod, broke the spindle, and then it finally broke all the way off about a lap or 2 later, and that was the end of our day.
And then you came out this morning and pull off fast lap of the qualifying session?
Yeah, today we're the only truck in the 54s, and the guys worked until about 2 in the morning, putting a new rear end housing in, new track bars. It had broke the transmission as well as the drive shaft, so they worked their tails off getting the truck all ready and tuned up, and we busted off a good lap, and then they inverted 8 again, so here we are. We're in the back row on the outside this time, and working our way up to the front, and got up to Carl, and he really was holding the show up with his flat tire, and I was being very patient because I knew we had the truck to win. All I had to do was get clear, and I could pick him off one by one. But he was really holding us up bad, and so we have 3rd mandatory yellow, and then we took off, and Kyle got around me when I was trying to get around Carl again. And then we both got around Carl, and about that time I broke a rear axle, so I only had 3-wheel drive, and so we were struggling from there on out, but we were happy we still got a podium.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And we'll see you back in Pomona.
Okay, great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike.